So I recently picked up this ASUS B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 board, and this is good for connecting RGB to your PC. Most importantly, it's Windows 11 ready. So let's go ahead and check it out. We will be installing this into a PC today, so we'll definitely get to see what it looks like, but this is going to be our Wi-Fi antenna. Here is the motherboard, and it does come in that anti-static like plastic, but it looks really clean and nice. It has like this black and silver look to it. Just to give you guys a better idea, it does look really nice, and I think that this will still look good even with white PC setups. And that's personally the type of PC that we're building today. It looks really nice. Let's go and see what else comes inside of that box. All right, so we're gonna get our IO shield. It's just plain silver. We also get the little bolts for the NVMe drive that we'll be installing and some SATA cables. Then we also get some drivers, it looks like, for the board, which is kind of funny because most PCs that you build these days don't even come with a DVD or CD slot, so that'll be interesting. Anyways, let's go ahead and build that PC and I'll show you guys exactly how it turns out. All right guys, so the PC is complete. We just installed everything and I've been really happy with this motherboard so far. Even though it is a mainly black motherboard, it still looks really nice with a white build like this because they have all of that silver and just other colors in there that just help give it some contrast. So far, I've been really happy with it and it's been easy to set up. I did notice that there's a little bit of light down there that glows through, but I don't think it's actual RGB. Now, when it comes to RGB, you guys do have an app to control everything because you can pair all of your RGB headers straight up into the motherboard, and that port is going to be way down there, kind of hard to see, but basically you're going to use Armory Crate for all of your RGB controls. So you guys are going to be able to go here and control anything that's hooked up to your RGB headers. So right now I could go here and just immediately adjust all of the lights besides the RAM because the RAM doesn't work with that. I have to use iQ software instead, but it's honestly pretty nice. I know that this app can be kind of bloated and take up some extra resources, but I will say the RGB control in here is really nice. And I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought that was kind of the main selling point of this motherboard. So anyways, that's gonna be it for my really quick unboxing and install of this ASUS motherboard.